Welcome to week 1. We're going to do a little people watching this week. Now admit it. You've already done it. Maybe at the mall, in the park, some other public place where at a safe distance you can observe others in a public setting. Just make sure to take good notes this time because you're going to need them for the assignment this week. You may also want to browse through Chapter 1 because there's some good background information that serves as a solid foundation for this course. One of the solid foundation principles that our author talks about is that we engage in research every day. We ask questions, listen to stories, watch others, participate in meetings, check our text messages, review social media posts, engage in dialogue. In doing all this, we gather qualitative data about social phenomena. Now, we may not describe it in such terms, but this course will help provide some structure to our observations. It also offers some practical tips to help you make the most of your research. Now, in Chapter 2 of our text, Tracy reminds us that the research methodology is a tool. Just like a hammer is a better tool than a screwdriver for banging in a nail, qualitative methodology is better than quantitative methodology for richly describing a scene or for understanding the stories people use to narrate their lives. Now, after we read Chapter 2, we're going to skip all the way to Chapter 14. I'm not trying to confuse you, I promise. There's a method to my madness, and it relates to what Dr. Stephen Covey describes as beginning with the end in mind. I found after teaching this course for years that it helps to review that final chapter of the text this week because our author provides some tips that will make a public impact beyond scholarly work. In other words, it will help add some meaning to the effort that we'll put forth in the next few weeks. So we're going to better understand the why behind the research, which I believe offers a good guide for what we'll learn throughout the term. So as I'll remind you every week, stay ahead with your assignments, stay engaged in that discussion board, and enjoy your time of learning.